Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everybody, Olivia here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of the most common Cantonese questions. The question for this lesson is, how do I know when to use goi and when to use do1? Goi and do1 both mean thank you in Cantonese, but we use them in different scenarios to show gratification. First, let's see when to use goi. When thanking someone for service or assistance, we say goi. In the Cantonese language, goi has a few meanings. We most commonly use this to mean thanks in a casual way. We can also use it to mean please or excuse me, where it's commonly used to catch someone's attention, especially in restaurant or shopping setting. For example, this one please, 呢個唔該. So when do we use do1? We use do1 when receiving a gift or money. Remember that do1 expresses a deeper appreciation of personal kindness and is used in most formal situations. When saying thank you very much, you just need to add sai, 唔該晒, or 多謝晒. It's like saying thank you very much. Finally, how do you answer when you're thanked? You can say 唔使客氣, 唔使客氣. This literally means no need to be polite, but it is the equivalent of you're welcome. How was it? Pretty simple, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in a comment and I'll try to answer them. See you next time. 下次見.